Today's video is about to make life a whole lot easier. We're checking out smart kitchen organizers and compact gadgets designed to save space, reduce mess, and make cooking feel less stressful without spending a fortune or remodeling your entire kitchen. As always, links to every product are waiting down in the description below. Let's jump in and turn your tiny kitchen into a space that actually works for you. Number 1 is the Magio Pull-Out Pots and Pans Organizer. This organizer is a game changer for cramped cabinets and overcrowded kitchens, turning messy stacks of cookware into a clean, easy-to-access system. Its expandable 22-inch design and adjustable dividers let you customize the layout perfectly for frying pans, lids, saucepans, or heavy cookware, so nothing gets jammed together or scratched up anymore. Instead of pulling out 5 pans just to grab the one at the bottom, the smooth pull-out design lets everything slide forward effortlessly, saving time and frustration during busy cooking sessions. The under cabinet setup also frees valuable shelf and countertop space, making even tiny kitchens feel more organized and functional. Strong adhesive installation keeps it secure without complicated tools, while the durable frame handles daily use without wobbling or bending. Number 2 is the Thetri Charcuterie Board with clear lid. The Thetri Charcuterie Board with locking clear lid is a stylish multi-purpose solution that helps small kitchens stay organized while making entertaining easier and more elegant. Its divided serving tray features 5 spacious compartments that neatly separate cheeses, fruits, crackers, nuts, and snacks without creating clutter across your counters or table. The clear locking lid keeps food fresh and protected, making it perfect not only for serving guests, but also for storing prepared snacks in compact refrigerators or cabinets without wasting space. The built-in ergonomic handle makes carrying it simple for picnics, parties, travel, or family gatherings, while the sturdy design feels durable enough for everyday use. Because it works as both a serving tray and storage container, it reduces the need for extra dishes and bulky containers taking over your kitchen. Number 3 is the Allenside Magnetic Plastic Wrap Dispenser. The Allenside Magnetic Plastic Wrap Dispenser with cutter is a smart countertop-saving upgrade that keeps your kitchen wraps organized, accessible, and way less annoying to use. Instead of dealing with crushed cardboard boxes, tangled foil, or drawers stuffed with random wrap rolls, this compact 3-in-1 organizer neatly stores plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and parchment paper in one clean station. The built-in sliding cutters create smooth, easy tears every time without jagged edges or wasted material, making food prep faster and less frustrating. Its magnetic backing attaches securely to refrigerators or metal surfaces, freeing valuable drawer and cabinet space in smaller kitchens where storage is always a battle. The bamboo-style finish also gives it a clean, modern look that blends naturally into most kitchen designs instead of looking cheap or bulky. Number 4 is the Stackable Kitchen Storage Organizer. This organizer is a smart solution for turning cluttered shelves and chaotic cabinets into a clean, easy-to-manage storage system. Their clear stackable design lets you instantly see snacks, cans, packets, spices, or ingredients without digging through piles or forgetting what you already bought. Because the bins are modular and easy to rearrange, they fit neatly into pantries, refrigerators, countertops, or deep cabinets, helping you maximize every inch of storage in smaller kitchens. The built-in handles make grabbing and sliding bins effortless, while the durable construction stands up to everyday use without cracking or warping. By using vertical space more efficiently and keeping everything visible at a glance, these organizers make your kitchen feel larger, cleaner, and far less stressful during busy cooking days. Number 5 is the Viranus 5-pack 36-ounce glass meal prep containers. These containers are a huge upgrade for anyone trying to keep meals organized, fresh, and ready to go without relying on flimsy plastic containers that stain, warp, or trap odors. Made from durable borosilicate glass, they move safely from freezer to oven, microwave, and dishwasher without hassle, making meal prep and cleanup dramatically easier. The divided compartments are perfect for portion control and keeping food separated, whether you're prepping lunches, storing leftovers, or organizing healthy meals for the week. Their airtight BPA-free locking lids prevent leaks and spills, keeping food fresher longer while making transport simple for work, school, or travel. Unlike cloudy plastic tubs, the clear glass design also lets you instantly see what's inside, helping reduce forgotten leftovers and wasted food. Number 6 is the Pokepo Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer. The Pokepo Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer is a clever storage upgrade that helps tiny kitchens unlock space most people completely ignore. Instead of overcrowding shelves and cabinets, this organizer transforms the back of a pantry or kitchen door into a fully functional storage station using multiple adjustable metal baskets that neatly hold spices, snacks, bottles, jars, paper goods, or cooking essentials. Its sturdy, rust-resistant frame supports heavier items securely while freeing valuable cabinet and countertop space that smaller kitchens desperately need. The adjustable basket setup also lets you customize storage for taller bottles or compact containers without wasting vertical space. Because it installs quickly without permanent remodeling, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, rentals, or anyone wanting more organization without drilling into walls. Number 7 is the Emarsiga 6-piece airtight food storage container set. This 6-piece airtight food storage container set is a clean, modern solution for organizing pantry essentials while keeping food fresher for much longer. Built from BPA-free food-grade materials, these containers safely store cereals, flour, pasta, rice, coffee, snacks, and baking ingredients without worrying about moisture or contamination. The airtight silicone-sealed lids lock out humidity and air, helping ingredients stay crisp and fresh instead of turning stale after a few days. Their sleek rectangular shape stacks neatly together to maximize shelf and cabinet space, which is especially useful in compact kitchens where storage disappears fast. The convenient one-handed squeeze-to-open lid design also makes grabbing ingredients during cooking quicker and smoother without fumbling around. Durable, easy to clean, and visually satisfying to line up in a pantry, this set helps transform messy food packaging into a tidy, organized system that looks straight out of a luxury kitchen setup. Number 8 is the Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer 2-Pack. The Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer 2-Pack is an easy but powerful upgrade that turns frustrating, hard-to-reach cabinets into smooth, fully accessible storage zones. Instead of crouching down and digging through dark shelves searching for cookware, cleaning supplies, or pantry items, the pull-out drawers glide forward effortlessly so everything becomes visible and easy to grab in seconds. One of its biggest advantages is the no-drill installation using strong nano adhesive, allowing renters or homeowners to install it securely without damaging cabinets or dealing with complicated tools. The sturdy construction keeps the drawers stable even when loaded with heavier kitchen essentials, while the clean pull-out design instantly makes cabinets feel more organized and efficient. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or utility spaces, this organizer saves time, reduces clutter, and makes everyday storage feel far less chaotic. Number 9 is the Homestead Bamboo Pantry Storage Bins. The Homestead Bamboo Pantry Storage Bins are a stylish and practical upgrade that helps small kitchens stay organized without looking cold or cluttered. Made from durable natural bamboo, these bins are strong enough for everyday use while adding a warm, clean aesthetic that instantly makes pantry shelves feel more polished and organized. Unlike cheap plastic containers that crack or discolor over time, bamboo offers a sturdy, long-lasting build along with natural antimicrobial properties that help keep produce and pantry items fresher and cleaner. The stackable design makes it easy to maximize vertical storage space for potatoes, onions, snacks, or dry goods without overcrowding shelves or countertops. Because the bins are open and easy to access, grabbing ingredients during cooking feels quicker and more convenient instead of digging through messy cabinets. Number 10 is the Wood Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer. This organizer is a simple but brilliant space-saving solution that makes crowded kitchens feel instantly more organized and efficient. Its smooth, silent 360-degree rotation lets you access spices, sauces, oils, snacks, or condiments with a quick spin instead of constantly moving bottles around or reaching awkwardly into deep cabinets. Crafted from durable oak wood, it adds a clean, natural look that feels far more elegant than cheap plastic organizers while blending beautifully into modern or classic kitchens alike. The raised edges keep items secure during rotation, and the anti-slip pads underneath protect countertops and shelves from scratches while keeping the organizer stable. Whether used inside cabinets, on countertops, in the pantry, or even as a dining table centerpiece, this Lazy Susan helps maximize space while keeping frequently used items easy to reach and neatly arranged. Number 11 is the Yahita Kitchen Island with Drop Leaf. This kitchen island cart with drop leaf is a massive upgrade for small kitchens that need extra storage and workspace without feeling overcrowded. Its spacious rubber wood countertop provides a sturdy surface for meal prep, serving, baking, or casual dining, while the expandable drop leaf design gives you extra room only when you need it and folds down neatly to save space afterward. Multiple drawers, built-in spice racks, and a roomy cabinet keep cookware, utensils, ingredients, and kitchen essentials organized and within easy reach instead of scattered around crowded counters. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move the cart anywhere in the kitchen or dining area, while the locking casters keep it secure during cooking or serving. For apartments, smaller homes, or kitchens lacking cabinet space, this island cart works like an instant storage and prep station that dramatically improves both organization and functionality. Number 12 is the Anok Shelf Liner Cabinet Liner. This is a simple but incredibly useful kitchen upgrade that protects shelves and drawers while making storage areas cleaner and easier to maintain. Its waterproof, non-adhesive design creates a protective barrier against spills, stains, scratches, and moisture damage without leaving sticky residue behind like cheap liners often do. The textured non-slip surface helps keep dishes, cans, containers, and appliances securely in place, reducing sliding and accidental breakage inside cabinets or refrigerators. Easy to trim and reposition, the liner fits shelves, drawers, pantry spaces, and fridge compartments perfectly, making it ideal for compact kitchens where every surface gets heavy daily use. Cleanup becomes much faster too, since crumbs and spills wipe away easily without damaging cabinetry underneath. Practical, affordable, and low maintenance, this liner quietly makes the entire kitchen feel cleaner, fresher, and more organized. Number 13 is the Waco Eye Auto Rolling Fridge Egg Organizer. The Waco Eye Auto Rolling Fridge Egg Organizer is a clever refrigerator upgrade that keeps eggs organized, protected, and easy to grab while saving valuable shelf space in smaller kitchens. Its gravity-fed rolling system automatically moves eggs forward one at a time, so the oldest eggs get used first and nothing gets forgotten or wasted in the back of the fridge. The multi-tier vertical design holds up to 30 eggs while taking up surprisingly little room, making it perfect for crowded refrigerators, countertops, or cabinets. Protective guardrails and deep grooves keep eggs stable and secure to prevent cracks or breakage during storage. Built from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, this organizer simplifies fridge organization while making the whole space look tidier and more efficient. Number 14 is the Hoshanho Magnetic Knife Block. This is a smart storage upgrade for tiny kitchens because it keeps knives secure, organized, and easy to access without eating up valuable drawer or counter space. Its double-sided magnetic design holds more than 14 knives vertically, creating a clean, clutter-free setup while making cooking faster and more convenient. Crafted from beautiful natural acacia wood, it adds a premium modern look that instantly upgrades the kitchen aesthetic while staying durable enough for everyday use. The powerful magnetic core keeps blades firmly in place without slipping, while the open-air storage helps knives dry naturally to maintain better hygiene and sharper edges. Installation is simple with flexible mounting options, including no-drill adhesive solutions, making it perfect for apartments, rentals, or compact kitchens where every inch matters. Number 15 is the Joseph Joseph Spice Rack Organizer. The Joseph Joseph Spice Rack Organizer is one of those small kitchen upgrades that feels surprisingly genius once you start using it. Instead of wasting the empty space underneath cabinet shelves, this hidden drawer creates an entirely new storage layer perfect for spice packets, bouillon cubes, tea bags, snacks, baking supplies, or other awkward little items that usually create clutter. The slim, concealed design keeps everything tucked away neatly without overcrowding shelves or countertops, making cabinets feel more organized and easier to navigate. Installation takes only minutes using strong 3M adhesive tape, so there's no drilling, tools, or cabinet damage involved, which makes it especially great for renters or apartment kitchens. Simple, compact, and incredibly practical, this organizer helps squeeze extra storage out of spaces most people completely ignore.